Hello, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the SQL Server learning course. And today I will continue with another video. In this video, I will guide you how to copy the existing database into a new database. Okay, so firstly, I open my YouTube channel. You can see here my YouTube channel is Learn Programming. You can access to my channel youtube.com/c/chienv8 here. I have a lot of learning programming language video here, so I think it will helpful for you if you are a developer. Okay, so in this playlist, I have many SQL Server learning video, so hope that help for you. Okay, so let's come back to the SQL Server Management Studio tool. And today, okay, so for example, you want to copy the existing database, for example, learn SQL DB to another new DB, and I will guide you step by step and how to do it. Okay, so the firstly, you open the services, those MSC. You scroll down to the SQL Server services here. You have to make sure some service urgent is running, and also the SQL Server service have to run in as well. Okay, so now if you want to copy learn SQL DB, you right click on it, copy database. You select the Rabbit by default. If you have another account, you can enter here. I will Rabbit by default too. If you are working in multiple database servers, so you can choose the destination of server where you want to attach the copy database to that server. Because for now I'm using one PC, so I will choose the same destination server here. Click on next button. Yeah. Here we have two options. The first option is you to detect and attack method. So this method is faster, but it requires a source database to go offline. For example, the website is running and using the database. If you select this method, so when you execute the action, so it will the database will be offline in a while. So that means the user cannot access into the website in a while too. So I think shouldn't use this the first option. So we should use the sequence management object method. This is slower, but the source database can remain online. That means when you are execute the job, we have nothing impact to the life side. Okay, click on the next button. And now by default, it will select the database which you want to be copied into a new database. Click on next button. Yeah. Here, this one is the configuration destination database step for new database. You can enter the new name for destination database here, but this one I will copy it, leave it by default. We have two options here for the destination database. If it already exists, so the first option is we will stop and the transfer and don't do anything. And the option two is if we have the existing database with the same name in the destination server, so we will drop it first, and after that we will perform the action to copy the database. Okay, I will select the option one. I think shouldn't select the option two. Click on the next button. Leave it by default. If you have any issue with when perform the action, so it will right log into the window event log. Yeah, you can open it here, event viewer and desktop, and you can see in window log here application blah blah. Okay, and for now we don't have any issue here. For example, if you have issue, so it will display the error, and we don't have here. Okay, and click on next button. You can also able to set a scheduler to run it. Change scheduler. But for now, I will run it immediately. Leave it by default. We will use the sequence server agent service account to perform the action, and if the service come back here, the sequence server agent is not running, so you cannot perform the action. That means it will display the error. Click on the next button here. Finish. You can review the information before click on the finish button to execute the action. Here my database is have only two table and some few of store procedure script here, so take it will take not long time. So if your database is very huge, so you cannot you have to spend a lot of time to perform this action. Okay, close. And now come back to the select the database and click on the refresh button here. You can see the new database learn sequence server new already copy here. You can see here we have table, only two table. No, only two table. I will try to see some data here. Yes, same thing. Category. Okay. And how about the store procedure? Here we have two. The same thing we have two. Okay, let's open the database file. Here we have the new. Okay, so I hope that helped, and after you finish this, you know how to copy the database into a new one. Feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye.